Sheer and transparent fabrics, delicate material like mesh, tulle, and lace are at the forefront, offering a balance between elegance and allure. These fabrics add a touch of romance to the tube dresses, making them perfect for both layering and standalone pieces. Bold color and statement prints, moving beyond traditional neutrals. 2025 sees a surge in vibrant hues and daring pattern. Expect electric hues, neon green, and playful floral dominating the scene. Cutouts on the side, underbust, or high on the hips add an edgy sculptural vibe to a classic two-piece, often styled with matching cover-up or body jewelry. Strappy or wrap-around styles, wrap tie tops, long string bikinis that cross the torso, bikinis with side ties that reach the waist or rib cage, gives a customizable fashion editor look. Bold color or color blocking, vibrant shade, electric blue, tangerine, and acid green. Dew tone design with contrasting color statement shades are replacing neutral basic this season. Monochrome minimalism, sleek black or white bikinis with clear line, check timeless and easy accessories, often made from low-key material like ribbed or matte fabrics. Crochet handmade bikinis, retro inspired with a boho feel. Earth tones, pastel rainbow, and floral pattern are common, stylish but more lounging than swimming. One shoulder, diagonal straps, or off center cut. Great for creating visual interest and modern flair, often paired with high cut or Brazilian style bottom, include in asymmetrical tops. Sustainable look, see eco-conscious fabrics from recycled plastics or fishing net. Brand blending sustainability with high design, often in muted tones or minimalist shapes but catching up in bold styles too. The boundaries between inner wear and outer wear continue to blur. Lingerie tube dresses are now styled for everyday wear, often paired with blazer or denim jacket, showcasing the versatility of these pieces. Sustainable and eco-friendly material. With the growing emphasis on sustainability, many lingerie dresses are crafted from organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled fiber. These eco-conscious choices often both style and environmental responsibility. These trends highlight a fusion of comfort, style, and self-expression, making lingerie dresses a versatile addition to any wardrobe in 2025. Corsetry comeback, modern twist, soft boning, stretch mesh panel, or lace-up bag for comfort and good appeal. As outerwear, often worn as tops over denim or skirt for a club-ready look. Statement robes, kimonos, trend floor length, sheer or satin robes with feather cuff or bold print, used as a lingerie layering or chic lounge wear. These are some bold Western lingerie trend making waves in 2025, blending sensuality with style and offering blurring the lines between inner wear and outer wear.